So this little storage area is locked up, and this key won't turn, and there's no space to wedge it. But luckily, instead of trying to rip out that key, get in through here. So I guess technically, technically they're not locked out. They just can't get in. Jesus. They just can't get in without popping through that window. Okay. This is super old. But all we need to do, take a little pick like this, go in. I might have to remove it. I was hoping to just pop it open real quick for you. Okay, so the door's open.